Hi friends, this is Anna Hellman with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. Thanks for joining again for another video. Today's is going to be really quick and really simple. I pulled out this Loyal Leaves stamp set from our new Stampin' Up catalog, and I just love this set. When I saw this in the catalog, I had to have it. I love plants, I love trees, and these leaves are beautiful. And I knew that you'd be able to make really simple cards with this set that would just be gorgeous. So this is what we're going to make today, and it is going to take a quick minute or two. So let me tell you what we need. We need a card base, measures 5.5 by 8.5, and I folded it in half. We need a piece of white cardstock that measures 3.5 by 4 3/4, and a small one that measures 3/4 of an inch by 2 1/4 inch. So we need these two for stamping. I'll stamp my greeting first, and I'm going to pull in some scrap paper here. So I use soft suede ink. I'm going to ink it up. I wanted the greeting to be a little bit faded, which is probably hard to tell, but it is faded. So I'm going to stamp on my scrap paper once. Now I'm going to stamp on my tag here. Very good. So here you can see I probably could have even stamped off twice and then gotten that faded effect, but I didn't want it to be real dark to take away from the leaf. So there's that. Now here is that stamp. I love these leaves. I just think they're so pretty. So ink it up, stamped it down here in the corner. Now all we need to do is assemble this, and I used all dimensionals to put this together, to pop it up and give it a little something extra since it is so simple. And then I also put dimensionals on the back of the tag. This is a set that you could use this for cards for women, absolutely, but it's perfect for men. It's another one of those sets. A lot of times when I'm working with these sets that are good for men, I try to point that out because, you know, usually they don't like the flowers and the adorable little hippos and, you know, the other stuff that we love. So I got that put on. Here I put this tag on. And I thought just some kind of little embellishment would be nice. When I have real pretty cards, pretty and simple cards like this, they're neutral colors. A lot of times pearls are my favorite go-to. So I'll add just a couple of pearls. Or maybe 3 pearls. Sometimes I get corrected when I say couple and I don't mean 2. So a few pearls, I guess I should say. All right, and that is it. So really quick, simple card with the Loyal Leaves stamp set. Hope you like this. If you enjoyed this one, make sure you check out my other videos where I do 3 card designs with 1 stamp set, 1 ink, and 1 paper. Have a great day, everyone.